friend, blue and high. Wings spread wide in the open sky. Dancing shadows on my face, you fly. Tell me what you see up where you lie. Twist and turn through clouds so light, chasing dreams beyond my sight. Whisper secrets of your flight. Spread your joy in morning bright. Bird in the sky, you're so free. Teach me to fly wild like thee. In my dreams I soar and plead to see the world with eyes like me. Through the treetops swift you glide, with the morning sun as your guide. In the air so true you confide, stories ancient far and wide. Carry the song of the breeze, my friend, whistling tunes without an end. Echo of freedom you ascend, on your wings worlds transcend. Bird in the sky, you're so free. Teach me to fly wild like thee. In my dreams I soar and plead to see the world with eyes like me. Treetops swift you glide, with the morning sun as your guide. In the air so true you confide, stories ancient far and wide. Carry the song of the breeze, my friend, whistling tunes without an end. Echo of freedom you ascend, on your wings worlds transcend. Bird in the sky, you're so free. Teach me to fly wild like thee. In my dreams I soar and plead to see the world with eyes like me.